Who would refuse a plane of their own? These are two young guys spending 30 days and nights without any modern tools, a luxury private jet built by hand. How on earth did they do that? June 31st, the two brothers are on treasure land where birds don't shit. After drawing the line on the ground, they dug without hesitation. Look at the speed. I'll ask if you agree. Excess soil is dumped with combat. The two of them repeated the action like a tireless humanoid machine. And then they made holes in the ground that they had planned and drive wooden piles into the hole as support columns. Next is the binding of the frame. Although there are no blueprints on how to build, the two have already understood. After tying up the frame, and they started doing it piece by piece, piece by piece. Then polished the mound in front to look like a cab. Then they drew water from the creek with chamber pots. Accidentally found a little cutie. Looks like dinner is available. Pour the water into the clay and stir. Then apply it evenly on the chicken. I have to say these guys are awesome. If you think they are great too, you might as well like and support them. After a few hours of slow cooking, by this time, the little cutie is already fragrant. The hungry brothers, I can't wait to start moving fast. Full of food and drink. It's getting dark. The two are guests and dare not delay. Keep burning the night. Dawn. The plane has been polished to perfection by the two of them. We'll make the plane more beautiful. They collected some natural pigments, painted on the fuselage. This color match is really amazing. Beautiful word. Of course, the interior furniture needs to be arranged in place. It's okay. In order to have a place to take a shower, the two dug again on the ground ahead. Get up and use their sky-defying unicorn arms. Let's continue to show you the speed of being single for many years. In the blink of an eye, you have a swim more than 1 meter for the waterproofing of the pool. To people bring precious wild cement. Then use their left hand to wipe their buttocks. Apply evenly in the pool. The pool naturally chooses the color of the sea. Big brother is responsible for and the younger brother puts turf all around. The two of them do their own thing without disturbing each other. The last thing is to fill the pool with water. They made pipes out of bamboo. Catch water from the creek to the pool. Waiting for the water to fill up, they built lounge chairs. It must be comfortable to lie on it and bask in the sun. The water is also full. The two brothers played happily. How about old iron? Do you yearn for such a carefree life? Do you want to live together?